Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you a tutorial about how to process a 4-mouse PET-CT scan here. You can load the dataset here under the tutorial button under PET-SPECT and then here PET-CT 4 mice. Load the example dataset here, and this is a scan with 4 mice. For high throughput imaging, and you can inspect it in 3D here and rotate it around. You see the 4 mice, and typically only the scanning is done with the 4 mice, but then for analysis you would separate them, and you can do that with this cropping mouse mode here. So you can simply crop out one mouse like this, and that, you need to select here underlay and overlay, so you crop out one mouse, and that crops it to that mouse. And so both the PET and the CT are cropped. I can visualize also the bounding boxes here. They're now pretty tight. And you could again crop in this view here in 3D, just to make them a bit more tight, because there's unneeded data on the top and the bottom. Now we have this one mouse, and now you can save this here. You can save it with underlay, save underlay as a file. You can save it as DICOM or some other file. And similarly, you can save the cropped overlay of that mouse. Then you can click undo here, and you get back the full scan. Now you see the bounding box is quite big here of both datasets, and then you can crop the next one here. And yeah, the cropping works in 2D and in 3D. And you can go on to the next one here and quickly crop out the mice and save them into separate folders to prepare for further analysis. And one more thing which might be interesting here, these DICOMs, they have metadata useful for SUV calibration, and you can check that here. And that is like the injection dose here, and this was not entered here. Oh, sorry, we have to go to the overlay here, SUV calibration. So here the injection dose was not entered. Sometimes people enter the injection dose of just one mouse of them or of the sum of all mice. So it's a bit tricky for 4 mice. But you can, so when you cropped one mouse here, like this, you can now enter the metadata here, 6 megabecquerel injection dose, and the weight here, I don't know, 25 gram. And you can set the metadata, and now you can save the overlay, and then you have the metadata in your cropped PET, and you have it, and that's more convenient for further analysis. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.